In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move mobile contacts to Gmail account. We're going to take the contacts stored on your Android phone and move them into your Gmail account using a simple export and import process. This is helpful if you're switching phones, backing up your contacts, or just want everything sync across devices. Make sure your phone is connected to the internet and that you know the Gmail account you want to use. Start by opening the Contacts app on your Android device. This is the app where you normally view and edit your saved phone numbers. Once you're in, look to the top right corner for the three dots menu. Tap that, choose Manage Contacts, and then select Import or Export Contacts. Different phones may label this slightly differently, but Manage Contacts and Import or Export are the key options you're looking for. Now choose to export your contacts to internal storage. This will create a single file, usually named something like contacts.vcf. A VCF file, also called a vCard, is a standard contact format that includes names, numbers, emails, and other details all in one place. When the export finishes, your phone will save that file, typically in your Downloads or a Contacts folder. If you have a lot of contacts, give it a moment to complete and keep your phone awake. Next, open a web browser and go to contacts.google.com. Sign into your Gmail account, the one where you want these contacts to live. You can do this on your phone's browser for the simplest experience, since the VCF file is already on the device. Once you're in Google Contacts, look for the Import option on the left side of the screen. Click Import, then choose the button to browse or select a file. When the file picker opens, navigate to your Downloads or internal storage and select the .vcf file you just exported. If you see more than one VCF file, choose the most recent one. After selecting it, confirm the import. Google Contacts will process the file and add those contacts to your Gmail account. This usually takes just a few seconds. When the import is done, you'll see the contacts appear in your list, often grouped under a labeled import with today's date. From here, they'll sync automatically to any device where you're signed into that Gmail account, keeping everything backed up and consistent. If you don't see them right away, refresh the page and give it a moment. That's it, your mobile contacts are now safely in your Gmail account. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.